Hey guys, this is SoulRag333 and here I have an update on my DNA Designs DK-38 Legacy Combiner Upgrade Kit for the Legacy Menasor, and TF Scource did send me replacement parts for this set, and it's great. The part that needed replacing was the left thigh. The right thigh. And the fact that I called it a left thigh, I think, is what caused the problem. I think when I started assembling the pieces, I did put this on the wrong side, and even though it's clearly labeled R1, R2, L1, L2, when I rotated, flipped the figure to attach it, I took the wrong leg off. And then when I took it apart, I realized this had the crack on the screw post. I don't know if you can see that. There and there. And and then the other thing, always use the screws that these upgrade sets come with. I think that was a mistake on my part. I didn't notice the little baggie, and I think when I put it on the wrong leg, I just used the same screws, and I think that's what really caused the issue. But thankfully TF Scource sent me this piece, the replacement piece right there, and they sent me this piece, which unfortunately has the same issue. So and I honestly don't remember which one is the replacement piece because they both have the same issue. This hinge right here has a crack where the pin was inserted. The other side is fine. This one has a crack, and so does the replacement piece. Now the hinge still works. I can fit my nail through the gap right there. Yeah. So now, to me, replacing this was more important. This is a piece that I will never use, but you never want to get stuck with a defective piece when you make a purchase like this. But the fact that the replacement piece also has the same issue, I don't know, that's something to watch out for, I guess. I'm going to watch other reviewers to see if I notice little cracks on theirs. So far, I haven't seen anyone mention it, but that doesn't mean it's not there. A lot of times reviewers hide these issues or make no mention of it. Case in point, the Masters of the Universe Revelation figures, when no one mentioned those flimsy hip ball joints, and a lot of times they would hide that flaw within their video. And they did, because they did an awkward edit or a cut, and they would make no mention of it. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to get this replaced. That's the more important thing. This is just an extra piece I don't care about. I guess it's supposed to make this a gun. I don't care. It's just gonna sit there like that. Now, I think it would have been nice if DNA Designs had figured out a way to incorporate this I mean, if you replace the chest piece, now you have this. I think it would have been cool if they had figured out a way to just, I don't know, make it a back piece. Have it attached there. You have this 5mm port right there. They could have, I don't know, attached something here to do this. But, oh well. Instead you got this. But yeah, just wanted to update. My Menasor is looking good. There he is. Again, I didn't peg the cars all the way in, so that's not flush. I've seen people who broke those posts, and I'm not going to risk that on mine. There he is, looking awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.